school now and I only have an hour of class, and after that I've got no class for like a week and a half because of mid-semester break. So me and my friends are gonna go get all-you-can-eat yumcha, and after that me and my friend are going to go play pool because there's like an event for one of the clubs I'm in at school. Okay, see you soon. It's magnetic.
Oh, so cute. It's like a charming.
So unserious. This one's extra thick.
Yum. One sounds like little sharks.
I'm so tired. Hey guys, I just went to the dentist and I had to get my wisdom teeth filled on my top part and my bottom. They put me on anesthesia for the top one but not for the bottom one. But the lady was really good and it wasn't painful at all. Like, it was such a good experience, so I'm really glad. My whole right side is still like a little bit numb. Now I'm just heading home and then just getting ready to leave later on. Yeah. And why does my makeup look good here? It doesn't when I like change the angle. It's just here. But yeah, see you soon. Hey guys, I'm heading to school now. This is the fit today. This cardigan is from GU from Japan. This tank top is just, I think, from my mom. These are from H&M, and then just my trusty New Balances, the 373s. It was also really cold yesterday, so I'm just bringing my beige sweater that I thrifted in Japan. My hair's just in a ponytail today with a bow. I feel like kind of naked without a bow when I do a ponytail, so today I just have a 2-hour class, and then after that I'm just heading straight home to my parents' home because it's the end of the week. And yeah, I'm really excited. Just want to go home, eat some good food. I can't decide if I want to tuck it in or have it out. It's such a dilemma. But I hate that like when you have it out, the buttons like make it scrunch up weirdly. Hopefully today's a good day.